Hello everyone. I want to start this lecture by asking you to imagine yourself standing on a stage in front of hundreds of people as they all look at you in silence, waiting for you to speak. How does that make you feel? Does your heart race just thinking about it? Or does the thought of having such an opportunity excites you? Your reaction to this scenario is largely based on what you think of public speaking. Did you know that more than 200 million people fear public speaking? If you're one of those 200 million people, then this course is perfect for you because we will discuss everything from what public speaking is, its history, and even its various types. First up, we have informative speeches. These are all about educating your audience on a specific topic. Whether you're explaining something complex like climate change or showing someone how to use the latest gadget, your main goal is to boost their understanding. The key here is to keep things clear and organized. Use evidence and data to back up what you're saying and stick to a neutral factual tone. Think of yourself as a guide, helping your audience learn something new without overwhelming them. Next, we have persuasive speeches. These are all about convincing your audience to see things your way or take a specific action. You'll find these in places like political campaigns, sales pitches, or even advocating for a cause. To be effective, you need to connect with your audience on multiple levels. Build credibility, that's ethos, tap into their emotions, pathos, and present logical arguments. Logos. The tone here is more assertive and passionate because you are trying to inspire change. Then there are special occasion speeches. These are the ones you give at important events like weddings, funerals, award ceremonies, or graduations. The goal is to honor, celebrate, or remember the people and moments that matter. Your tone should be warm and personal, maybe even a bit emotional. Stories, humor, and quotes can help you connect with your audience and make the occasion even more memorable. Demonstrative speeches are another type, and they're kind of like how-to guides of public speaking. These speeches teach your audience how to do something step by step. Maybe you're showing them how to bake a cake or how to assemble a piece of furniture. Clarity is key, so use simple language and visual aids if you can. The tone is instructional, making sure everyone can follow along and learn something new. Let's not forget about entertaining speeches. These are all about having fun and keeping your audience engaged. You'll see these at social gatherings, comedy shows, or even after dinners. The speaker's job here is to use humor, storytelling, and a charismatic delivery to entertain the crowd. The tone is light-hearted and playful, making sure everyone leaves with a smile. Finally, we have inspirational speeches. These are designed to uplift and motivate. You'll hear them at conferences, motivational events, or during commencement ceremonies. The speaker often shares personal stories, challenges, and triumphs to connect with the audience. The tone is passionate and encouraging, meant to spark action or positive change in the listeners. Public speaking has indeed come a long way from its origin in ancient Greece, adapting to the changes, needs, and expectations of society. Whether the goal is to inform, persuade, entertain, or inspire, the art of public speaking remains a powerful tool for connecting with others and influencing the world around us. As a student, it's important to understand the historical context of a field before getting into more depth. This lecture will build a solid foundation for the rest of the lecture, where we will discuss how to become proficient at public speaking.